Hi, let us begin with the simple if statement. Here we can see the general form of the if statement and then the flowchart of the if statement. Within an unknown program. So this program indicates any program which has an if statement. In the flowchart we can see it consists of the test expression followed by the if statement. If the test expression is true, then it will execute the statements or expressions inside the if block and then return to the program. So this is the test expression and this is the block of code. If the test expression becomes false initially, then this block of code will not execute. So directly the control flow will exit from the if statement and return to the program, and then the remaining program will continue. So this is how the flowchart works, and this entire if statement or if block is known as if control flow block. If we look at the general form of the if statement, the reserved word if begins an if statement, and here the condition. The condition is a Boolean expression that determines whether or not the body will be executed, and after that a colon. Here you can see the colon. A colon must follow the condition. So this is the rule in Python. And then we have a block. It is nothing but a block of one or more statements to be executed. This block will be executed only if the condition is true. And we can notice here the statements within the block must all be indented the same number of spaces from the left. So we have seen the standard indentation in Python has 4 spaces from left. Okay, so from beginning, if you consider this is the program control flow, then from here to here there is a 4 space. Let us see the simple example to illustrate how the if statement works in Python. Let me open the file. So here I have written a simple if statement to show how the if statement works in Python. Here we are checking whether a person can vote or not. So in order to check whether the person can vote or not, the person should be of above 18 years in India, right? In order to vote, he should be having an age of above 18. So for that reason, here age is the controllable variable. Okay, so we are asking the user to enter their age in number using the input statement, and then we are typecasting the string into an integer variable using int. Next we are printing the age, and then we are using the if statement to check whether he can vote or not. So look at this expression, age is greater than or equal to 18. If age is greater than or equal to 18, then only the person can vote. So if age is greater than or 18, we are printing you can vote with your voter ID proof, or you can also vote with any government ID proof if you have a name in voter list. Okay, and if you look at this print statement, so this print statement and the second print statement both are maintaining the same indentation level, that is standard 4 space, and this if statement is followed by the colon. The colon is compulsory. If I miss this colon and if I try to execute, it will show an error. So let us copy this code and execute inside the interpreter. So let us enter the age as 18, for example, then print the age. Next let us write this code in an interpreter. So look at here, we got an error because there is no colon here. So let us replace this code with the colon, and here also in the interpreter. So press one more enter. So now we can see the condition became true and the body of the if statement has been executed. So let us look at the expression age greater than or equal to 18. What happens? So look at here, the condition is true. If you check this condition in the interpreter, it is showing that the age is equal to 18. So this is the script file inside the Python shell editor. Okay, now directly you can run this script file by clicking on the run file, run, and then click on the run module, or directly you can press F5 from our keyboard. So this is the simple program. So in interpreter, as soon as we enter a specific code, a single line of code, interpreter will simultaneously execute that code. So in order to write a block of code or a suite, we need an editor. Okay, so this is the Python editor. So we have seen how to open this Python editor in the beginning section. Okay, so now to run this program I will press F5 from my keyboard. Okay, so I am pressing F5 to see how it works. So here you can see the output. It is asking the age in number. Okay, let us type this time 20. So it is displaying your age is 20. You can vote with your voter ID proof and the second print statement.